Hello, beautiful people. It's another edition of Victor Isibo Reviews. I'm here for you, and I know you're there for me. If it's your first time here, please hit the red subscribe button below. Turn on the bell notifications. You know why? So that when I do another video, you'll be the first to know. Okay? And if you're a returnee, thank you guys for sticking with us. Thank you for watching our videos back to back. For without you, there'll be no me. Thank you guys for watching our videos. Okay, now, how can you benefit from being an early bird? That is what we're talking about in this video today. And without further ado, we're going to jump right into it. Make sure to watch this video till the end, because being an early bird gives you an edge over all your competitors. You stand the chance of making millions and millions of whatever currency it is your country operates in if you be an early bird. How do you be an early bird? Watch this video till the end. Gotcha. Yes, people. So now, first of all, every business model is an idea of somebody. Okay, that person is like an inventor, like an innovative person, somebody who is imaginative and comes up with an idea. And if that person implements that idea becomes successful, that person is going to make a lot of money. And now, to bring your idea to fruition, you do feasibilities, you do some other things, market surveys, then you bring it up, and if the market accepts it, you're going to be very successful. There's a high probability of acceptance level if you do your feasibilities right. Okay, now, it is always better if you are innovative, if you are an inventor. It's always the best. Okay, but if you cannot be an inventor, you can be one of the earliest adopters of that idea. That is the early bird mentality. Now, most people that have heard the word early bird, they always attribute it to Ponzi schemes. The first set of people who join a Ponzi, they are always at the top of the pyramid. They make all the money before the Ponzi collapses, and those at the bottom always loses their money. Okay, Ponzi scheme is about robbing Peter to pay Paul. Okay, the Peters to be robbed are at the bottom of the pyramid. The Pauls to be paid are up there because they joined early and recruited these new people who are going to lose eventually when the platform crashes. Now, in a legitimate sense, is what I want us to adopt, this early bird mentality. Look, for instance, when Uber just started. When Uber just started, the few persons that adopted it and started driving Uber vehicles were making a lot of money on a daily basis. But speak to the next Uber driver you see, he's going to complain to you that he's not making a lot of money anymore. That's because saturation sets in at some point in a business. Saturation drives down sales, drives down profit. Saturation is an increment in volume. When volume increases, competition increases, profits reduces. Okay, so when you adopt a business model fast and you're one of the pioneers that started a business, you stand the chance of making a lot of money before saturation sets in, before volume sets in, before the bandwagon comes. Okay, many people have a lazy kind of mindset. They don't want to do feasibilities. They don't want to make their findings to see if this model of business is an acceptable one, if it is feasible, or if it will work. What they prefer to do is to wait and see reviews of those that have tried it. Okay, so that they can boost their confidence to go into it. I'm not saying that's a wrong approach, but sometimes if you are the type that likes to lay back and wait for others to go in first, you might enter that business when it's almost at saturation point. If there's only one barber shop in your entire community, the barber is going to be making a lot of money, more than when if he has 9 other competitors. Now, the first barbershop starting to make a lot of money, buys a new car, buys a house, then other people now see, oh, there's a lot of money in barbing, so everybody is opening barbershops here and there, here and there. Then they will have to share the clientele, and there is no longer monopoly, because sales will now come down because there is a lot of competition already. So what I'm saying now is that to be an investor is not something that you can do by being lazy. You need to keep reading. You need to keep abreast of what is happening in the world of technology, in the world of pharmaceuticals, health, everything. You have to keep abreast of what is happening, so that if there is a trend that is about to come up, you will be one of the early pioneer adopters, so that you can make all the money there before the crowd comes. Okay, how do you do this? Watch the news, watch tech news, watch health news, watch the news, and follow up what's going on. You can even do this on social media by knowing what's trending. Okay, know what is selling and what is about to come. Business ideas don't just jump into the market. There are periods where they do publicities. There are periods when they are trying to gather momentum, where they are talking about it and, you know, trying to gather momentum. That is when smart investors are already ready to attack once they launch. So as they launch, they are the first. So they enjoy the business before saturation comes in. So I want to implore you, if you are a businessman or an investment minded person, stay in the news, watch the trend, be an early adopter, be an early bird. You stand a bigger chance to make a lot more money than people who will come in later when there is already a saturated system on ground. Okay, if you love this video, share it with every aspiring investor or businessman that you know. Share this on your social media. Give this video a like, and let me see your comment in the comment section below. Till I see you next time with another powerful video, I remain Victor Isibo. It's bye for now.